dedicated to. Fuck it. I got a pocket full of posies, some devil with a pitchfork, he talking like he know me. I'm psychopathic low-key, my hyperactive dome piece, get no sleep. Ill as fuck, the hospital seems so weak. I stood before an angel as he told me about the glory. Put me in a room of people, how the fuck could I be lonely? I only get moany, these labels trying to clone me. My thoughts get heavy, hit the ground and crack the concrete. So I try to keep them in my head. It's sad to see when everything that you believe is dead. Word to Heavy D, and rest in peace to all that coming past. Life is good sometimes, but it just doesn't last. A bunch of stress, you see this mic is like my punching bag. Rock and roll, drugs and cash, you softer than a bubble bath. Sucker ass motherfucking sentiment. Doper than the shit that killed Chris Tucker and their presidents. Desert rhymes, told me riding beats, I'm on a camel. I'm way too hot to handle, life a beach, I brought my sandals. You want a war, I got a lot of ammo. You ain't a soldier cause you rockin' camo. Young Rambo, 100 million fans though, and I do it big, you a iPod Nano. Fire on wax, look like I brought candles. Yeah, you got a show but you ain't on my channel. That's HBO, bitch, you gotta pay for that. Your channel's free.
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
IMAX for shit, motherfucker. Yeah, suck my dick. Hey, yo, I'm about to start gambling with Ambien. I'm Dutch smoking, that's a strike, but fuck bowling. I could tear a pin in Maryland. See, I'm American, apparently it's damaging to be in front of cameras in your underwear with Marilyn Monroe. Looking dumb hoes who want too much dough and come close to have you straight tripping when you jump rope. Don't rock the love boat, this business fucking cutthroat, and it's gonna crack if you just paint the wall with one coat. Rooms filled with blood smoke, peek me through the fog. These rappers who be hating probably need to get a job. See me, I'm with my squad, getting money, living comfortable. I know a couple hoes who model, but they ugly though. Fucking toast, y'all is fucking broke, cut your throat. Judging me is nothing dope, boy, you lying under oath. God made the world, why did man make the scriptures? And if he created Lenin, why'd he go and make a Hitler? I could take a photo, but I'd rather paint a picture. The one Lawrence Fishburne would shoot up all you hipsters. I'm from Pittsburgh, that's black.